Over time, chronic small S stress and small t traumas have the same effect on your brain. So now, think about the implications of that. Medial prefrontal cortex, let me remind you one more time what that does. Empathy, attunement, emotion regulation, fear modulation, response flexibility, moral and ethical reasoning, insight into what other people are feeling and thinking. Do you see what's happening? These are key leadership qualities, and they get compromised because of the cumulative effect of stress, life stress. And what I told you about what happens when you have reduced peripheral vision, when you have arteriosclerosis, when your blood vessels harden, then you become inflexible, and they become judgmental and black and white thinking from that the quick appraisal they need to make, threat appraisal, and they're hypervigilant. They're not trusting.